Annyeonghaseyo, welcome to Kpop Traffic.
At BTS concert in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, even the breeze works in Jimin's favor. Jimin posted his peak visual after well resting during the month vacation. After performing the hit song Fake Love, Jimin's hair blew in the desert wind, and armies have become so completely mesmerized by the wind fairy look. Dressed in all black, Jimin already looked royal. But when the breeze of air tickled his sandy-colored hair, armies nicknamed him the Desert Wind Fairy for all that ethereal look. For the past couple of months, EXO Chanyeol has been rocking a stunning platinum blonde style. But now, however, he has a brand new version of his blonde hair, and this one is proving to be just as deadly for everyone. He came right for our hearts with his new look. After EXO's concert in Japan, Chanyeol had a very special surprise for everyone, a brand new hairstyle. Chanyeol's new hairstyle made many EXOers recall his wolf era look since it's the shortest he has gone since then. Rocking the new style, he took everyone on an emotional rollercoaster ride. EXOers all over the world are definitely loving the change-up and agreeing that it fits perfectly with his charms.
If you like the video, do subscribe to get contents like these, and also it would make me happy.